Do this and get your watch time hour completed and your subscriber completed. First of all, you go to your you go to your Chrome, then you type studio.youtube.com. Can you see it? Then you search. Look at my channel. Once it appears like this, then you go to your customization, your channel customization. Look at the channel customization. Then you go to this side. You add languages. For instance, let's select original language. Our original language here is English. Let's put in English. Let's put in English. Now I've added English in the original language. Let's go to translate language. From English, you can translate it to let's put this in Arabic. Okay, sorry, American. There is American. Then you put the name of your channel if you want to save it. Then you put at Big Joe 1. Then you press save. You press done. You've added. You just look at it. Translation of channel. Can you see it? American. Look at it. I've added American. That's how you add different language. Let's add on that language and see. Let's add on that language. For instance, now you want to add Chinese. There's China. You add this place. You go to this side. You see, repeat it. Put your channel name at Big Joe. Can you see it? Let's check it again. Look at it. Chinese. That's how you add all these things. Let's take for instance now you add about 10 languages. Now the use of these languages is for if any country is watching your video, if any country that is not your country persons, for instance now it's like they don't use English, they used to use French, all these language that I just that are listed here. The Google will translate it to them. You understand? Google will do the translation to them. So then they'll watch your video, as in instead of that place that they will translate it, that place that normal is English on YouTube, it will translate it to their own language to them. Hope you're understanding. So that one will bring much of viewers, because the reason why people don't review content, most people don't review some people's contents, is because of the language communication. Once I cannot hear what you are speaking, there's no need of me watching your video, because it won't profit me. You understand? That's why people are doing all these things to gain much viewers and much engagement, more subscribers on YouTube channel. So if you are seeing this for the first time, if you are learning from me for the first time, please take 1 minute to like this video and share. Okay. Now if you have done that, now you go to the next place, this channel customization. You go to the next tab, you press home tab. That's number one thing you need to do. Then can you see as this place is well organized? This is my video. This is how to organize this section, and this section to contribute to YouTube recommending your content. That's your video. This is the place you enter for recommendation. You click on this section, add text section. Look at it. I've added this channel trailer, spotlight for turning subscribers, for you, videos, popular videos, short, live. Can you see it? So this is how you're going to do it till you understand. So that's how to do all these things. For instance, now you want to add popular videos. You add popular videos. You understand? Now I've added popular videos. Then you add this in. Now let's remove popular videos. Okay, let me show you how to remove this thing. Let me show you how to remove things from this side. Look at shorts, videos, live. Can you see it? Let's remove popular videos. I've removed this popular video, this one. So you can add any other settings. Live stream, single playlist, create playlist, multiple playlists, channel features. You add channel features here. So this is how to do this video. If this video is of help to you, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, thanks.